Hi, I'm Paul O'Brien, author of the visionary I-Ching and the book Intuitive Intelligence, published by Beyond Words Publishing, which has a chapter on divination and the use of the I-Ching, which I'm going to demonstrate this morning because we have a new version, a new way to consult the ancient oracle of changes, which is the visionary I-Ching cards, a brand new deck also published by Beyond Words Publishing. This is the box, and this is the deck right here. And here is the guidebook that contains the I-Ching text that I wrote as the visionary I-Ching many years ago. So today we're going to demonstrate a simple reading, like a daily meditation reading, because the I-Ching is a wonderful source of ancient wisdom, Taoist wisdom, known as the Book of Changes in English, because it's all about managing change. And what are we going through? We're going through a massive amount of uncertainty and change right now. And things are always changing. So the idea of learning how to manage change with the help of a divination system is really pertinent to the times that we live in, particular to this period that we're in right now as we tape this, which is the coronavirus pandemic. So basically, you take the deck, and if you want to use it for the meditation purpose, you don't need to have a particular question in mind. It's just going to give us a reflection. We're going to pull one card, and we're going to let that card teach us something, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So you'd shuffle the deck, just like normal, and create a level of randomness. And then you can spread out the cards, if you like, on a surface in front of you. And then you can just take a deep breath. And clarify your intention, which is to get in touch with the spirit of the moment, and some truth, and some timeless wisdom. And then you pick the right card, which is whatever card you pick. And today I picked number 19, a beautiful card, the title of which is The Approach of Spring. This is a very hopeful card. The art, which is by Joan Larimore, shows the elements earth above and lake below. It's very beautiful art. All of these cards have beautiful paintings, original art by Joan Larimore. So then I might pick up the guidebook and look up number 19, The Approach of Spring, and read it. And it's only 2 paragraphs, because the changing lines take up another page, but we're not having any changing lines. We're just using it for the general reading for meditation. And this is what it says. Spring is coming. Good times seem inevitable, and there is vitality in the air. This is a most auspicious time. Well, that feels very hopeful. Here we are in the corona pandemic, and we're starting to open up, and it's starting to give us glimmers of hope and positivity. Like a snake emerging from hibernation, negative forces are only beginning to stir and can be effectively controlled. This is a time of hopeful progress and must be used to one's best advantage. When approaching good fortune, conscientious work pays great dividends. A clear road lies ahead. In the spring, seeds that have been lying dormant are ready to bloom. Act now, for at some point this ripe opportunity for advancement will be challenged. No spring lasts forever. It's wise to stay alert and note the changing signs of the times. In doing so, preparing for less fertile times is a noble and fruitful effort. Make the most of the season now. That's number 19, The Approach of Spring. That's our daily meditation today. That's giving me a lot of positive inspiration to go forward in my day, make the best of it, and be as conscientious as I can be in terms of managing my life and supporting my higher consciousness. So that's our I-Ching reading for the day, and that's an example of how to use the Visionary I-Ching cards in order to enhance your daily meditation. Thank you very much.